Hey everyone, it's Bud, and I'm back with another stuff. Today is Monday, December 13th, and it is the afternoon time, everybody. It is roughly 3:50 p.m. Central Time, and I hope you guys are doing well. Wow, let's go, everybody. Congrats on making it through the first day of the work week, everybody. Let's go. Let's go, guys. 20% in. 20% in, right? All right. I got a pretty good amount to talk about today. We got spreadsheet ready to Omi price. And I've got a couple of other things to talk about, of course. Let's just start off with one thing I wanted to say. I made a video this morning, as you guys know. That video got like 1,000 views while I was at work, which is absolutely insane. So shout out to everybody out there that's been giving me viewership as of late. I very much appreciate it. It's awesome, and it feels cool because I'm just a random guy. So that's always cool. So just wanted to say I appreciate you guys out there. Let's go. All right, now, with that being said, today is Monday. Not a ton else going on today. Monday Night Football on today, of course. I just got done with work. I'm excited to go lay down and relax finally. I've been up since midnight, so I'm pretty much done with the day, everybody. And that's pretty much what it is. So let's go ahead and run into some normal stuff, guys, and I'll have you guys on your way. All right, guys. Spreadsheet will be linked in the description down below. If you need to know the price of any Veve NFTs, you're going to want to go to column H on the market prices tab as well as column H on the digital comics tab. Now, just a quick refresher, I did update the prices on the market prices tab this morning. You'll notice column H has a header of 12/13, which is today's date. That's because I updated the data today. We've also got the portfolio calculators on here where you can type in how many of each portfolio you have, and it'll tell you what your portfolio is worth. And of course, I make this all for you guys, so if you guys would get some value out of it, I would very, very, very much appreciate it. Now, let's just take a quick detour from that, and let's talk about the prices. Now, I think a lot of people were trying to get gems for these drops coming up this week, like earlier today and so on, and maybe yesterday even. And so I think a lot of people were selling some pieces, trying to get some gems in order. But I noticed that some pieces actually hit a floor just a little while ago. So we'll see if the pieces start rising from where they're at now. I'm curious to see what happens. We don't really know too much about too many drops coming up, so I'm excited to see what happens, guys. Now, actually, let me go back to Facecam really quick because I wanted to say something. I was pretty close on the prices of the last drop, first of all. We're going to be talking about the prices of the upcoming comic drop, and I want you guys to stick around for that and hear me out. And then I wanted to say, okay, so the prices for the Voltrons I did pretty good. And then this morning I made a video and I said that there was a 12 days of Christmas and there was like 12 drops, but that does not mean that there's a drop every day. I specifically said that this morning. And what did that was like the first thing they said is that there's not a drop every day. I've been on point with my predictions, guys. I've been absolutely on point with my predictions as of late, guys. You guys see it. I'm not making this stuff up. You guys can go back and watch the videos. I'm not making this stuff up. All right. Back to the spreadsheet. So, like I said, I think some pieces have been hitting their floor, so I do expect to see. I'm excited to see if some prices start to rise up, is what I would say. I guess is maybe a more appropriate way to phrase it. So, that's pretty much that, guys. We're going to be going ahead and popping into some Reddits here, guys, and shouting out some homies. There's one post from our homie Show84, which I want to cover really quick right at the end of the Reddit post here. We've got I2. We've got Zeus MJ, we've got Evan Dino, we've got OK Dragon, we've got The Gale, we've got Daniel Maraish, we've got Laxima, Vivi Versum, Day Drinking with Bob, Reckless Soul, Emmy Honda, Alarming Management, Show 84. Here we go. This is what I was looking for. And of course, we got Last Chance down here at the bottom, but this is what I wanted to talk about. Show 84 saying 12 days of VV recap. So today is the 24th series of giveaways and 12 drops over 12 days. Drops will not be every day. Exactly what I just said. 4 drops this week. The first week. 2 comic drops this week and then 2 drops on Saturday. 1 drop every day next week. Pre-announced drops, I don't know what that means. New brands coming, holiday theme drop coming, more surprises that they haven't announced anything yet. And then it kind of talks about the giveaway page, which is vv.me/giveaways. So you can go on that website and you can spin a wheel to try to claim a free prize. Now, you need to understand that there's like thousands and thousands of people entering, so the odds of actually winning are very low. So um, that's what it is. And then, of course, it kind of talks about the drop items that are going to be in the giveaways. And so that's pretty much the gist of it, guys, as far as I can tell. Not a ton. Really, I think the bulk of the news is going to start coming out. If I had to guess, things are going to really start picking up on Thursday of this week. That's what my impression is, guys. On Thursday of this week, we're going to see things start really picking up. That's my impression. And that's what it is. All right, guys, let's take a quick peek at the Omi price. Omi's price is trading at 0.005196. Omi can be your homie. I'm not going to be your daddy. And nothing in this video is financial advice. And you guys already know that. Oh, wait, I forgot to leave the spreadsheet open so I could talk about these prices coming up. Okay. So, we're going to kind of move on into the prices here, guys, I think. I'm just going to load up the spreadsheet here once more and then go to the comic prices, and we'll talk about the prices. A couple price guesses here for you guys, and we'll have you guys on your way right there. So, let's go ahead and get to the digital comics tab. Let's let it load up, and then we'll scroll down. There we go. Okay. We're just going to go down to the most recent comics, assuming that more recent comics are going to be the best comps, I guess you could say. So, this are the most recent comics here, okay, guys? So let's talk about the drop, first of all. This is going to be for Astonishing X-Men #1, okay, guys? We've got 5 covers, and here they are. We've got Wolverine hand on the common. Uncommon, it's got kind of the squad there. We've got Cyclops, Wolverine, Beast, these two. And then the uncommon is the same. The ultra rare is actually quite nice. We've got Wolverine prominently displayed, of course, which is a first, I believe, on the Veve app. And then in the secret rare, we, of course, got the full squad again. This time we've got Cyclops, Wolverine, Beast, a couple others. Very cool. So this comic came out in the year 2004. Important to know, we got the blind box price of $6.99 as usual. We've got 30,000 editions, which means we've got 21,000 commons and 600 secret rares. All right, guys. So pretty much we know what to expect now, guys. So let's talk about the price predictions here. So let's just kind of give you guys some updates. We've got the obviously Amazing Spider-Man comic came out in the common drop for a very high price. Now, if we look at Darkhawk dropped, and it's going for about $15. Same thing can be said for Avengers number 47, which is this third most recent comic drop. Beyond that, we kind of see Uncanny X-Men right here. So if we're looking for X-Men comics, we've got Uncanny X-Men comic here dropping for 14, Uncanny X-Men here dropping for 17. So let's go ahead and make our prediction here, guys. I think this comic is going to drop, and I think the common is going to go for $15 to $17. Pretty kind of in line with some of these other ones. I think we're going to see that same price for the uncommon. I plan on seeing the rare going for about, let's say about 35 to 40. The ultra rare, I'm expecting to be between, let's say 85 and 100. And then the secret rare, I suspect, dropping for about $4.50. That's my predictions on the prices, everybody. Again, these are just price guesses. These are just my guesses. This is not financial advice, and I'm not your daddies. You guys already know that. All right. Now, that's my predictions for those comics there. We went over the covers, and so that's pretty much it, guys. That is pretty much all I have for you guys. Absolutely insane amount going on with Veve. And so I'm excited to bring all this information to you guys, as you guys can imagine. We're killing it already. One day in. Congrats to everybody out there. I hope you guys have a fantastic and a very restful evening, everybody. I swear. I seriously do. With that being said, rest up, everybody. We do have a drop coming up, so definitely want you guys to be ready for it. And just once again, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody for the viewership as of late. It's very awesome, and like I said, I'm just a normal guy, so it's very cool. So with that being said, everybody, have a fantastic evening. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.